I'm just not sure if catching how hard it's snowing. I don't know if I zoom in if it's going to be any. Oh yeah, there we go. Like it's just blanketed. I mean, I can barely see the road. I know I can see it on the cam, but it's snowing like a bitch. And we'll see how it gets later on. It's getting colder too. It's weird. Usually it gets warmer when we get lots of snow, but it's getting colder. And the morning after. Lost 1, 2, 3 trees over there. That one snapped off. That one's down. Right in front of the house. That one's down at the kitchen window. Almost hit the house. I don't know how it didn't. That one looks like it's gonna go too. I have to go and clean off my poplar. It might. It's still snowing. Bent all over the friggin' place.